Hi there, I'm Dr. Ikram, your diet doc, and today I will tell you about the best diets that could actually help you prevent a very notorious joint disease that is known as gout. Not many people know that gout is the most common joint disease and it is increasing very rapidly in the world. People who are at high risk include those above 50, men, obese individuals, those with sedentary lifestyle, and people with family history of gout. So why does gout occur? It happens when a substance called uric acid is increased abnormally in our blood. This could happen because of either of two reasons. First, it mostly happens when our kidneys are unable to properly eliminate or filter uric acid out of our blood. Secondly, there are certain foods that, if consumed too much, may cause high uric acid levels in our blood. In any case, this could lead to two consequences. Number one, this increased uric acid travels through blood and is eventually converted into tiny crystals that are deposited in our foot joints, particularly in the joints of our toes, resulting in gouty arthritis or gout. And number two, these uric acid crystals may also be deposited inside our kidneys and hence causing one type of kidney stones. If left uncontrolled, this could lead to permanent failure of our kidneys. Long-term uncontrolled uric acid levels may also lead to complications such as high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, and cataract. Now, it's important to remember that higher than normal uric acid levels do not always mean that one has gout as well. Instead, until and unless these high uric acid levels do produce symptoms such as pain in the joints, the condition may not be diagnosed as gout. In other words, high uric acid levels do not always mean gout, but rather put one at high risk of developing gout. So whether you have any symptom or not, you must at least get your blood uric acid levels checked at least once in a year. And if your uric acid blood levels comes more than 6 mg per deciliter, then it's time for you to start taking uric acid diet or simply gout diet, which simply means you have to avoid certain food and take certain foods in more quantities. So let's first go through the foods that you need to avoid if you have higher than normal uric acid levels. And these include organ meats such as brain, liver and kidneys, seafood such as fatty fish, shrimps and lobsters, all kind of red meat such as beef, mutton and pork, soft drinks, soda energy drinks and fruit juices, alcohol, 5 vegetables such as peas, spinach, mushrooms, cauliflower and tomatoes, and everything that has white or refined sugar in it, including candies, ice cream, sweets and bakery items. It's better to limit salt intake as well. As for the lifestyle, lack of exercise, wearing tight shoes, dehydration and hot weather may also trigger gout attacks. Now let's come to the foods that should be consumed if you are at high risk of developing gout. These include eggs, low-fat dairy, nuts, all types of fruits especially cherries, whole grain products, brown rice, barley and oatmeal, all vegetables especially colorful vegetables. You only need to avoid 5 vegetables that have already been mentioned: coffee, tea, green tea. And as for cooking oils, you should prefer extra virgin olive oil, canola or sunflower oil. Hence, by following this diet and also incorporating daily workout in your life, you may keep your blood uric acid levels under control. If you have any questions, do write in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you would not miss any of such informative videos from me in the future.